In this video, I'm going to show you how to add audio files in CapCut. Now, what I'm going to do in order for me to get started is just tap the Add Audio button down below, and then you have the option here to add sounds. Go ahead and click that one. And then from here, instead of this one here, what you're going to do is select the second icon. This is the folder icon. Now, if I'm going to go ahead and tap that one, you should be able to see here extracted audio. And then the next one to it is going to be your device. So go ahead and tap on the device option. Now, if you tap the device option, you should be able to see here all of the sounds or the audios coming from your phone. So what you are going to do is just simply tap the plus button. Say for example this one right here. I can go ahead and click the plus sign in order for me to be able to add that audio here on this particular project of mine. So as you can see, we have the audio here down below, and basically I can go ahead and try to cut this depending on where I want to. Say for example, I'm gonna cut it from here. I'm just going to go ahead and click it and then tap the split button. There you go. And then click the first one in order for me to delete that. So I can then go ahead and drag this audio right here. I can go ahead and long press this one in order for me to be able to drag this one at the beginning. And there you go, everybody. That is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.